Greetings, Masters! I wanted to share with you some insights on how to build a strong mind that will help you in everything you do. Mindset can mean the difference between getting knocked down by the first obstacles or being a fighter, overcoming them, and moving on. At the end of this video, we will reveal 7 steps to build and maintain a solid mindset. So hang in there, stay focused, and watch your progress from now. To begin with, what is mindset anyway? Mindset, or also mindset, is a set of beliefs and attitudes that influence how we perceive and respond to different situations and challenges. There are primarily 2 types of mindset: fixed and growth mindset. The fixed mindset is built on the belief that our abilities are given and unchanging, while the growth mindset is based on the belief that we can continually develop our abilities and skills through learning and practice. This fundamental difference can have a huge impact on how we approach life's challenges and use any obstacles to our advantage. Let's sum it up in a few steps of what you'll need. The key characteristics of a strong mindset include resilience, flexibility, perseverance, open-mindedness, and the ability to learn. These qualities are not innate. They can be developed and strengthened. Resilience will help you cope with stress and adverse situations, to be able to get back on your feet and keep going without giving up. Flexibility means you are able to adapt your thinking and approaches when situations change. Perseverance is key when things don't go according to plan and allows you to continue your efforts even when obstacles arise. Openness refers to your ability to accept new ideas, perspectives, and experiences without prejudice or resistance. The ability to learn means constantly seeking opportunities to acquire new skills, knowledge, and experiences. The first step to a strong mind is to understand what that actually means. Essentially, it's about seeing challenges as opportunities to grow instead of discouraging you. Failure is not evidence of your incompetence, but rather a chance to analyze the problem or situation, learn something new, and improve. Remember how you got through something difficult in the past. What did it teach you? How have you improved and moved on? If you really want to take your thinking to the next level, try doing something every day that takes you out of your comfort zone. It doesn't have to be anything huge, just something small that makes you feel a little bit better and gradually adds up. That way you're constantly pushing your limits and getting used to the fact that you can always improve. Before we go any further, I want to ask you to like the video if you like it. It will help me a lot. And if you subscribe, you won't miss anything else that will help your personal growth and moving forward. Let's do it. The importance of a strong mindset. A strong mindset is the foundation for personal growth and success. People with a strong mindset are better able to face setbacks and use them to their advantage. They see them as learning opportunities and are not afraid to face new challenges. This leads to greater resilience, higher motivation, and overall better results in all areas of life. Having a strong mindset means being prepared for change, adapting, and constantly looking for ways to improve. How to overcome obstacles. Everyone faces obstacles, but people with a strong mindset see them as opportunities to learn and grow. The important thing is to stay calm and remember your long-term goal. When you encounter a setback, analyze the situation, draw lessons from it, and use those lessons to continue to improve. Discomfort and setbacks are an integral part of growth, and it is important to learn to accept them with an open mind. How to keep a strong mindset. Maintaining a strong mindset requires constant work and dedication. It's important to always be ready to learn and adapt to new challenges. Add regular assessment and self-reflection to your life so you can identify areas where you can improve. Surrounding yourself with inspiring people and seeking mentors can also help keep your motivation and commitment to growth high. Daily habits for a strong mindset. Let's call them the Golden 7. First point, getting up early. By incorporating the habit of getting up early into your daily routine, you are systematically building a discipline that will manifest in all areas of your life, reinforcing the principle of strength, self-control, and productivity. By doing so, you improve your ability to stick to schedules and achieve long-term goals. Second point, morning meditation or visualization. Use this time to project your goals and visualize your success. This will help you start the day with a clear mind and a clear focus on achieving your goals. In fact, the strongest vibrations are between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. when you are able to attract things into your life much earlier. Third point, reading and personal development. Spend at least 15 minutes a day reading books that strengthen your skills or broaden your horizons. This constant learning promotes a growth mindset and helps you adapt to new situations and challenges. Fourth point, deep work. Deep work is a method that requires you to fully immerse yourself for an extended period of time in challenging tasks that require a high level of cognitive performance. By removing all distractions and focusing solely on one task, you can make significant progress and achieve results that would otherwise be impossible. This approach not only enhances your ability to perform challenging work, but it also helps you develop the ability to focus deeply, which is key to achieving long-term goals and success. Fifth point, exercise. Regular physical activity not only improves physical health, but also increases mental resilience and improves mood. Exercise promotes the secretion of endorphins, which are chemicals in the brain that improve feelings of happiness and contentment. You will also build a nice body, which will help you believe in yourself more and move forward. Sixth point, writing down achievements and gratitude. Keeping a journal where you write down your achievements and moments you are grateful for reinforces a positive perception of your own life and keeps you motivated. This habit allows you to see the progress you've made and reminds you of the value of what you already have, which is the foundation for a healthy and strong mindset. Gratitude for everything positive and negative will completely change your perspective on the world and situations. Seventh point, gratitude and planning for the next day. Take a moment each evening to express gratitude for successes, positive moments of the day, and a short meditation. This ritual will help you close the day with a positive attitude and appreciation for what you have. Then plan your tasks and goals for the next day. This pre-planning not only increases your efficiency, but also gives you a clear idea of what you need to accomplish, increasing the likelihood that you will be successful the next day. This combination of gratitude and planning boosts your mental well-being while improving discipline and focus. These activities provide you with comprehensive tools to build and maintain a strong mindset, with each habit contributing to an overall improvement in your mental resilience and ability to achieve personal and professional goals. By integrating these practices into your daily routine, you can build a solid foundation for lasting personal growth and success. I hope today's video has inspired you and provided tools you can start using right now to take your mindset to the next level. Remember that building a strong mindset is a journey, not a destination. It's a process that takes time, patience, and consistency. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share this video with friends who might also be interested in improving their mindset. You can also let us know in the comments what techniques have worked for you or what challenges you've managed to overcome through a strong mindset. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to the next video where we'll cover more tools and strategies for your personal growth and success.